did you know that this upcoming Olympic Games has something completely brand new in the categories to be known as official Olympic sports? Breakdancing. Who knew about that? Not everybody. Oh, Mabel, good job. Well, it is quite fascinating to have a sport in that sense to be officially known as an Olympic sport. And on that note, we are going to invite somebody who is indeed preparing to represent Hong Kong at the 2024 Paris Olympic. If you're joining us on Facebook Live, brace yourselves. If you're here watching with us right here in the studio, brace yourselves too. Please welcome members of UTLR852, the Hong Kong breaking women's team. Give it up for UTLR852, our future Olympians. Thank you so much.